Microphone check, microphone check, 1, 2. Microphone check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Straight off the blue, off the top of the head. Clear out the closet, hold up the anthem. Know that I'm so phantom, she even answers. I'm saying, goddamn, shit, I need a one spent like, oh damn. I'm so fly, just a bird first. Just ask her. I'm so fly, just a bird. I'm so fly, just a bird first. I'm so fly, just ask her. I'm so fly, just a bird first. Just ask her. Just ask her. I'm so fly, just a bird first. Just ask her. See. When she met me, she was thuggin', I was mackin', it was nothing, she thankin', gave her some attention. She had come up out of my Tennessee, she ain't laughing, no way, I ain't trippin'. From time to time, I ain't slippin' from the other coast, she hit me early. She said the real God lost their mind, and often think of it as broke scary. But she's so fine, she used to things that have things her way. But nowadays the baddest bitch pay, even the baddest bitch pay. I'm not waiting forever and a day. Word to AD, if she don't pay, she won't stay. So man, let her fish. I'm so fly, just a bird first. She first. Just ask her, just ask her. I'm so fly, just a bird first. She bird first. Just ask her. I'm so fly, just a bird. I'm so fly, just a bird first. She first. Just ask her. I'm so fly, just a bird first. I'm so fly, just a bird first. She first. Just ask her. It's so interesting, she's so delicate, that's irrelevant. Yeah, she's intricate, man. Tryna get into some shit, and she know this. I'm sure Hustla doing all that I can. Here I stand, 1,000 grand. Yeah, I'm out, man. You know what I'm saying? Freestyle, you know, we had to put one in there, man. One time for the people, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, check that out, man. Amazen King, part 2, baby.